There are several ways you can make money with Google in 2023. AdSense. Google's AdSense program allows you to place ads on your website and earn money every time someone clicks on one of the ads. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an AdSense account and add the AdSense code to your website. YouTube Partner Program. If you have a YouTube channel with a significant following, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and earn money from ads, sponsorships, and other monetization options. Google Affiliate Network. The Google Affiliate Network allows you to promote products and earn commissions for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Google AdWords. You can also make money by using Google AdWords to advertise your own products or services. AdWords allows you to create ads that appear on Google's search results pages and on other websites in the Google Display Network. Google Play Store. If you are a developer, you can create mobile apps and sell them on the Google Play Store. Google Cloud Platform. If you are a developer or IT professional, you can use the Google Cloud Platform to build, deploy, and sell cloud-based software and services. Please note that earning from these programs will depend on the traffic location, and the product or service you offer. Also, keep in mind that to be successful in any of these methods, you'll need to have a large audience or significant web traffic.